So, hey everyone, I'm doing a photography video today, so if you're not interested, stop watching now. So what this is about is wireless remote controls for DSLR cameras, and specifically the Canon 5D or 5D Mark II. I like to have the ability to do a wireless um, control of the camera for a variety of reasons, such as a family picture that I want to be in. So the 5D had a real bad ability to support any kind of wireless trigger like that. You could go very high end, around 350 for a pocket wizard. That's more on the pro side, and I didn't really want to do that. Or you could buy a Canon, I forget the model number, it might have been an RC5. It was also a 250, 300 plus device, and that's just too much for this kind of limited function. And the old 5D, it wouldn't support the 30 to 40 small wireless control that many of the other Canon DSLRs do. I think it was RC1.
You're really stuck on what to do about wireless remote controls. Now with the Mark II out, Canon Mark II, you do have the ability to use the, you have to double check the model number, but it's Canon's wireless remote control. I think it's the RC1. It's the cheaper one. It does work with this, but I want to talk about a different option that you can use. What I have here is a wireless control. It's a brand name. It's not even really a brand name. It's just manufactured by a company called Yongnu, YONGNU Digital. It's model number YN-128, and it's made in China. And this thing basically shipped out of Hong Kong. And hopefully you can still see that. And so this is the wireless trigger. And then this is the wireless receiver here. Again, YN-128. Okay, this thing is about 18 bucks. And believe it or not, I bought this off of eBay. And I've purchased two of these over my photography hobby. Different models. All of them purchased off of eBay. For some reason, eBay is the spot to buy this Chinese stuff, wireless controls for the 5Ds. My experience has been perfect every time. Fast shipping, extremely low cost price. Devices, no problems whatsoever. Never had any of them. So, the reason why I think you should check this out is, one, it's cheaper than the Canon RC1, and it offers more functions. So what you can do is have a timer release on this, and let me show you how it sets up. It has a hot shoe for your DSLR up here. It does have a higher profile than the small Canon remote, but that's okay. You don't have to use the hot shoe. So you just put it on like that if you want to. You plug it into the side spot over here. You turn on the power button. The power button does not have an auto shut off, so you need to pay attention about leaving that on. And turn on the camera. I don't think I have a card here, so put a card in. Okay. And then go back to this device here. You have a selector switch right here. And basically what that says is, do you want to use the timer release or the normal release? You can capture fast photos up here, and you slide it down, you can do a timer-based system. And the trigger is right here. You can hold it down halfway, and actually not. You just push it down and it'll fire. Camera will autofocus, right, depending on the setting that you have it on. It has this range thing, which the range on this is better than the Canon cheap remote control. A lot better, tremendously better. I don't even actually have to use that too much. It has wireless codes, so if you have a buddy that is using one of these near you, you can put in a different code. And really all you do is gotta push the button just like that. And see, that's the ultra fast. So I'll push it again here. Actually, you can hold it down halfway. I'll go halfway and you'll see it, the light on it change. Okay, it means I'm focused. Push it more. Okay, it takes the picture. I'll do it rapid. Okay, pretty cool. I'll do the timer. Okay, just like that. So, if you're interested into maybe self-photography or photos that you want to be in, or even wildlife photography, you set your camera up on a tripod and you kind of want to be away from your camera, and you want to trigger remotely, get one of these. I mean, seriously, go out on eBay, search for Canon 5D Mark II remote controls. You'll probably get a number of them pop up, but the ones out of Hong Kong that look like this, they change the style of them often, but check them out. They work really good. Like I said, I had two of them. The only reason the other one I don't use is that I actually got it wet, so you can't drop them in the water. So good tip on these. Thanks, folks.